The new Camp Nou is rising fast. From massive steel frames to towering stands, construction is moving at record speed. Workers are racing against time, installing slabs, pouring concrete, and shaping the stadium's future. And guess what? The third tier is finally coming to life. Stick around for the latest updates. You won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about the third voladizo. If you've been following the updates, you know this is the section that's been keeping everyone on their toes. And guess what? They've just placed a new cercha, that's the massive steel frame, on the south side. This is a big deal because it means they're moving faster than expected. Just yesterday, this area was empty, and now it's already taking shape. Over on the north side, things are just as intense. They've been working on the placas alveolares. Those are the hollow core slabs that form the seating areas. These slabs are crucial because they're lightweight but super strong, perfect for holding thousands of fans. And they're not just placing them randomly. Every slab is carefully measured and fitted. Now, let's head to the corner. This is where things get really interesting. They've been pouring concrete like crazy, and the forjados, the floor structures, are almost done. You can see the workers laying down the final touches, getting everything ready for the next phase. And speaking of workers, they've been busy installing those black panels you see everywhere. These aren't just for looks. They're part of the stadium's insulation system, making sure the place stays cool even on the hottest match days. But here's the kicker. They've started prepping for the third tier. That's right, the upper level of the stadium is slowly coming to life. They've already got the mensulas, the supports for the seats in place, and it's only a matter of time before they start adding the actual seating. Imagine looking up from the pitch and seeing that massive structure towering above you. It's going to be insane. Let's not forget about the parking area. This section is almost done, with just a few finishing touches left. They're laying down the final layers of concrete and installing those black panels on the ceiling. It's not the most glamorous part of the construction, but it's essential. After all, where else are thousands of fans going to park on match day? Inside the stadium, the work is just as intense. They're installing the escaleras, the staircases, and laying down the ferralla, the steel reinforcement for the concrete. This is where the magic happens. Every piece of steel, every bolt, every slab of concrete is part of a bigger picture. And when it's all done, it's going to be breathtaking. Finally, let's talk about the final touches. They're painting, cleaning, and making sure every inch of the stadium is perfect. It's the home stretch, and you can feel the excitement in the air. The workers are giving it their all, and it shows. So, to sum it up, the new Camp Nou is moving at lightning speed. From the new cercha on the south side to the concrete pouring in the corner, every part of this stadium is coming together piece by piece. And with the third tier starting to take shape, we're getting closer to seeing the final product. This isn't just a stadium, it's a masterpiece in the making. If you're as excited as I am about the new Camp Nou, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss the next update. Trust me, it's going to be even bigger.